One of our specialized databases is called GALE in Context for middle school. So that's a pretty general title, and it's not really clear from that title what kinds of information might be um, available in this database. So in this quick video, I'm going to highlight a bunch of different categories of information and topics that you can find in middle school GALE in Context. Okay, so here I am on the main page. I had to log in. You can get to the databases from the district library page or from the school library page. There's links from both pages. So if I scroll down here, it gives me some topics of interest. Okay, so I could click on these. But what you really want to do is scroll a little bit farther to find the categories. So it's got a nice interface. It's very user-friendly and hopefully interesting to kids. So cultures, geography, government, literature, people, science, social issues, US history, world history. There are 513 topics altogether, but you can also use the search bar to search for things that might not be an obvious topic. Okay, so let's just click on a few of these buttons here to see what's available to us. Let's click on government. All right, so under government, we have all of these topics. So it breaks it down even more. So there are biographies here and also information just on our governmental processes. Okay, and we'll just click on Franklin D. Roosevelt just to see what an article looks like. Here we go. Okay, so this is great biographical information if your students are doing some kind of biography project. Okay, and then read more. So this is the whole page just about Franklin D. Roosevelt. So there are more than one article here. There's more than one article. You can see there's 87 reference articles, 30 biographies. So we have a huge amount of information. It's really awesome. All right, we're going to go back. And one more click back. I'm just using the back button on my browser. That works. And I'm going to pick a different category. How about literature? Okay, so we can see the different topics here. So there are some authors listed and also book titles. So let's pick Fahrenheit 451. Okay, again, gives some quick facts over here, an overview. And then if I scroll down, it gives me some more information. So there are 25 reference articles, 8 biographies, some images, some audio, magazine articles, news articles. So there's quite a bit of information just on this book and this topic. Okay, again, I'm just going to use the back button here. Something else I could also do is use the breadcrumbs, which I can show you in another minute. And I'm going to go back and pick a different category so we can just see what's here. So social issues, let's try that. All right, so these are some of the issues that are important that are being discussed in society right now, okay? And that might be important to students, something like homework. So let's click on homework, see what's there. Okay, again, we don't have quite as many resources in this section, but there's still quite a few. All right, homework policies, anti-homework movement. So this is pretty interesting. Lots of different things here to look at just for that one topic. Now I'm going to show you the breadcrumbs to go back instead of using the back button. Here are the breadcrumbs. So I want to go back to social issues. Okay, and then I do need to use the back button up here to get home, I think. Okay, well that's not working, so we're going to go up here, GALE in Context. All right, so I'm back on the home page, and I want to choose cultures this time. Okay, so if you're doing world cultures, this is a good place to look for more information. The Roman Empire, let's click on that. All right, so there's 123 reference articles, 72 biographies, 304 magazine articles, primary sources, some audio and video, news articles. And then if we click on related topics, it gives us even more categories that might be related and important to your research or what you're looking for. Okay? I'll slow down so we can look at some of this. So there's quite a bit of information in the middle school GALE context, all kinds of different categories of information. And let's just look quickly at the browse all 513 topics. So I would recommend using the categories to search using topics, but you can also search here in the search bar right up here. And that's just a quick overview of what's contained in middle school in context.